We'll see what this one does, huh? Shit, well, we know we got to go up a little bit already. We should probably go back. That's kind of a horrible. There we go. That's not bad. All right, you ready? Let's go. Screen record. What's up, guys? Gomer Pyro here on live stream. We're about to do a raptor from Monkey Mania. Little dinosaur fountain. We've done a few tonight. Thanks to Pyro on the 502. He's helping me out. Join the Gomer's live stream and you get some fireworks maybe if you're lucky. But first time live streaming today, so we've done a few. All right, here we go. Please no crackle. Please no whistle. Oh, please. Yeah.